Hello, welcome everyone. Today we will understand what is run command in Azure VM. So let me go to the VM. I have created one Windows VM with HTTP port allowed. Windows VM I have created, and if you go to this if you go to this menu, in this we can see support and troubleshooting, and under this operations menu we can see run command we can see here. So we will understand what we can do with this run command. If we want to run the commands from here, we can do it directly from using this command. If you want to run PowerShell script command, we can if you click that one, it will prompt us for creating our PowerShell command. And if you want to Windows update, you can do it from here. Enable admin account. All these activities in this, by giving the appropriate command, we can do it here. So you can see here. So we have to give the script and we have to run it. So if we let us understand this run PowerShell script command in this video. For this what I have to do. So here in our VM I have not created any web server. So let me create a web server using by running a command in the portal itself to create our web server. For that one, if I click this run command and I am coming here, run PowerShell script, and we have to give the command. So it is the import module. Which module? It is a server manager module. We have to run. Next is add Windows feature. So this is the Windows VM. So add Windows feature and web server, and we have to include all the sub feature. So how we are doing while installing manually in the VM, we will be doing the same. So here we can give in 2 lines of comment we can give, and we can add web server from the portal itself. So let me run this command. If it is everything correct, so it will create the web server in my VM. So let us wait. It will take 3 to 4 minutes to execute it. Once the output ready, we can see the IaaS server in our VM. So now it is successfully run the command. We have successfully installed the web server in our VM. So if we go here, we can see the IaaS configured in that VM. So let us check with the IP address also. So we have successfully installed using the run command install web server in our Windows VM using the run command. So we will see some other concept in Azure in our upcoming video. Thanks for